Click Start and type MS Info 32 in the search window. It is a handy tool for checking operating system configuration, security information, product ID, and hardware properties, example, RAM, disk space, and network cards. It is a good idea to review RAM and processor information before purchasing a PC. Obviously, you get what you pay for. Click File, then click Save. Do not click Export. Type ms-info.info and save on your desktop or location of choice. The file is now being saved. Please be patient. Now locate and open the .info file. Now you can send this file to anyone. Thanks for watching. Have a good day and don't forget to subscribe.